Best military retirement investment options to choose from. Military personnel often spend most of their time serving the country, leaving little time to plan for retirement. That is why understanding the best military retirement investment options is very important. Choosing the right investment can help retired service members enjoy financial security in the future. There are many investment choices available, including stocks, mutual funds, retirement plans, and bonds. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. However, some options are safer and more suitable for long-term retirement goals. 1. Federal Thrift Savings Plan, TSP. The Federal Thrift Savings Plan, or TSP, is one of the best retirement programs for military members. It allows service members to save money automatically from their monthly paycheck. The savings can be invested in several funds, including stocks and bonds. TSP also offers tax advantages, helping your retirement savings grow over time. Because it is simple and flexible, many people consider it one of the best military retirement investment options available today. 2. U.S. Savings Bonds. U.S. savings bonds are another safe investment choice for military retirees. These bonds help protect your money while earning interest over time. The interest rate usually changes based on inflation, which can help maintain the value of your savings. Compared to a regular bank account, savings bonds often provide better long-term benefits with lower risk. 3. Gold investment. Gold investment is a popular option for people looking for long-term financial stability. Gold prices may change in the short term, but gold has remained valuable for many years. Instead of buying physical gold, many retirees choose gold mutual funds or gold ETFs. These options are easier to manage because there is no need to store physical gold. Gold is also considered safer than many stock investments during economic uncertainty. That is why it is included in the list of the best military retirement investment options. Planning retirement early is important for every military member. The Federal Thrift Savings Plan, U.S. savings bonds, and gold investments are some of the safest and most reliable choices. By choosing the best military retirement investment options, military retirees can build long-term financial security and enjoy a more comfortable future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.